we've got our pedals right here. Let's go ahead and unbox these or take them out the bag. We got this one, we got this one. And so I've got these folding pedals right here. So let's see, let's go ahead and do this, push it in. Probably need 2 hands. There you go. So you've got that pedal and you got this pedal right here. So we've got our folding pedals. And what was I going to say about this? So yeah, so here, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that, but let's go ahead and move our hand like this. Sometimes that works. I've seen YouTubers do that type of stuff. Let's see if we can. Okay, there you go. So you can see that. I think I got to turn it like this. Yeah, there it is. So you've got this R right here that tells you this is for the right side. Then you've got this one right here. Let's see if we can turn it properly. And you have this one right here that says L. So you've got your left right here. So I'm gonna hold this in my left hand. And you got your right. And then let's go ahead and press this. Okay, so yeah, so you've got your right and your left right here. Obviously, these things are able to fold, which is really, really nice if you're trying to put your bike away in like a trunk or anything like that. I use these. I've got my bike right over there. It's a folding bike. It's a folding e-bike, electric. And these are the replacement pedals. And so I need to go ahead and I've already bought another pair of these. And so I put them on and I have these just in case, because you never want to, I don't know about you guys, but I have actually been out there, fallen off my bike, broken the pedal before, and I'm just stuck. And I don't know about you guys, but if you have an e-bike and you know what I'm talking about, those things just become dead weight. So I definitely want to make sure that I have an extra pair of these. So again, you guys can see here the little mechanism that it has here where it's locked. So you can see these little locks right here, lock right here. So if we press it up, so let's see if we got it, can work in action. So you see how this, we'll see the angle. Let's see. You press down, you pull it forward, and then there you have it. And then let's press it up again. Let's see if we can go this a little bit slower. The spring is probably gonna pop up. There you go. And so we're able to see that the springs work. Everything is really nice. They've got these little grip things here for your feet. And so overall, I definitely like these. They're perfect for, you know, replacement pedals or just if you wanted to actually just get these in general. These are perfect for it, so.